Have you ever felt completely exhausted from chasing a girl, but she just seems indifferent? Not enthusiastic, not replying quickly, and sometimes acting like she doesn't care at all? If that's the case, you need to listen to this until the end, because today, I'm going to discuss one important attitude that, believe it or not, will make her start chasing you back. I know you might be thinking, isn't it that if we like a girl, we should fight for her? We need to be sensitive, active, and pursue her? Well, that's exactly what often makes you look desperate, needy, and eventually gets you left behind. The truth is, girls don't need a guy who's constantly chasing them. What they need is a guy who has control over his own emotions. A guy who knows when to stay and when to walk away. Here's the deal, bro. There's one attitude you need to start adopting right now. You can write it down if you need to, or replay this part until it sinks into your head. Here's the phrase: I can easily let go of a girl who doesn't show enthusiasm toward me. Simple, but powerful. That sentence needs to become your mindset. It needs to be the principle you hold on to, like the foundation in your relationships. Because when you have this mindset, you automatically become a guy who isn't dependent on validation from any girl. You become a guy who is free, and that, bro, is what makes you attractive in her eyes. Have you ever noticed that the more you chase, the more the girl pulls away? That's because your energy is so attached to her, and she feels like you like her more than she likes you. This creates a sense of discomfort for her. Girls can sense this, especially when you've just met or are still in the early stages of getting to know each other. If you get too attached, too excited, and too active, you're the one who's losing. Usually, what happens is that you start rushing things, trying to make the relationship move faster than it should. You want her to commit, to reciprocate your feelings at the same level, but in reality, she hits the brakes. She feels uncomfortable and starts pulling away. So, here's what you need to do. When the girl starts showing signs of indifference, like taking longer to reply, slowing down responses, or not showing enthusiasm in the conversation, you pull back, bro. Yes, you let go. You don't need to get angry or create drama. Just pull your energy away and keep moving forward. And you know what happens when you do this? A lot of the girls who were previously indifferent will come back. Why? Because you've shown strong male energy. You're not chasing, you're not begging, you're not desperate. You're calm, confident, and she feels like she's losing control. You have to remember, the one who chases the most looks like a beggar, and the one who is chased looks attractive. Now, ask yourself this: who has been starting the conversations the most? Who sends longer texts? Who asks to meet more often? If the answer is you, then you're the one chasing. That's what makes you look weak, and that's what puts you in the needed position, not the wanted one. From now on, try to match the energy. If she only replies every 2 days, you reply every 2 or 3 days as well. If she gives a one-sentence response, reply with one sentence too, not more. If she's not showing any gesture of wanting to get closer, then don't force it, bro. This doesn't mean you should be cold or rude, not at all. It just means you're reflecting the level of her investment in you. You give the same amount of effort that she gives you, no more. Because if you keep giving more, but she doesn't give back, you'll end up looking cheap. Sad, but true. You can apply this easily. For example, you can only meet her once a week. If she wants more, she'll start looking for you. She'll start reaching out first, asking to meet. From there, you can increase the intensity, but you're not the one adding the intensity first. Let her take the lead. And here's the thing, bro. If you're thinking, but if I pull back first, this relationship could end, then she probably didn't like you that much to begin with. Because a girl who truly likes you will start to panic when you pull back even a little. She'll be afraid of losing you, and that fear will make her try harder. Just like how you panicked before, feeling like you had to maintain constant communication. But if you pull back and she doesn't do anything, then bro, she's not the one you should keep. Don't waste your energy. Focus on the girl who's actually interested in you, the one who really likes and cares. Girls like that make your life so much easier. You don't have to guess or overthink because their signals are crystal clear. She'll text you first. She'll ask to meet. She'll want to get physically closer. She'll stay attached, and all of that shows she's comfortable with you. How that's the girl worth fighting for, not the one you have to chase until you're out of breath. And one more thing, you can still make a girl who didn't like you at first become interested. How? Increase your value by staying confident, calm, not needy, and matching her energy, or even giving a little less. Don't give more, show that you don't need her, but you have value. Because a guy who has value never chases. He's magnetic. He's the one who's chosen. So the bottom line, bro, is this. If the girl isn't showing enthusiasm, let her go. Focus on the one who truly is excited about you, because when you start reducing your effort toward the girl who isn't investing in you, your energy changes. You become a guy who's calmer, more stable, and automatically more attractive. And from there, the girls who once thought you were too available will start thinking, why has he changed? And one by one, they'll come back. Whether it's the one who was indifferent before, the one who ghosted you, or the one who's been giving you half-hearted responses. Why? Because you're no longer desperate. You're not forcing them to be in your life. You're comfortable with yourself, and girls love guys like that. Guys who have self-confidence, direction in life, and don't beg for attention. That, bro, is the key. Your attitude, your energy, and the decision to wisely leave behind the ones who aren't enthusiastic, because the ones who are serious and genuine won't make you feel confused. The genuine ones will show it, and the ones who aren't. You just let go. That's it from me. I hope this opens your eyes, and from today you can set a higher standard in your relationships. You deserve a girl who's excited about your presence. Don't settle for the half-hearted ones. Okay, bro, that's it for this video. I'll be back with more topics that are still related to relationships and self-development for cool guys like you. See you again, and remember, you deserve the best. Thank you. Hope this helps.